Exploring the world of eyepieces, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that many of you might have heard but are not fully familiar with: eyepiece collection. Whether you're an astronomy enthusiast, a photographer, or simply curious about optical devices, understanding what eyepieces are and why someone might collect them can be quite fascinating. So, let's embark on this educational journey together and explore the world of eyepieces. An eyepiece is a type of lens or a group of lenses that is attached to a variety of optical devices such as telescopes, microscopes, and cameras. Its primary purpose is to magnify the image formed by the device's main lens or mirror. Eyepieces are crucial for enhancing the quality of the observed image, providing a clearer and closer view of distant objects or tiny details not visible to the naked eye. Collecting eyepieces might sound like a hobby reserved for the most dedicated of astronomy or photography enthusiasts, but it's much more than that. An eyepiece collection can significantly improve the versatility and performance of optical devices. Different eyepieces can provide various magnification levels, fields of view, and comfort levels, making them indispensable for both amateur and professional users. Collectors often seek eyepieces with specific characteristics to suit their observational needs or to achieve the best possible image quality. There are several types of eyepieces, each designed for a specific purpose and providing unique advantages. Some of the most common types include plossal, known for their wide field of view and sharp images, making them ideal for general observations. Orthoscopic, offers high contrast and resolution, perfect for planetary and lunar observations. Barlow lens, not a true eyepiece, but an accessory that doubles or triples the magnification of any eyepiece it's used with. Understanding the characteristics of each type can help enthusiasts choose the right eyepiece for their collection, depending on their specific interests and the optical devices they use. For those interested in starting their own collection, it's important to consider a few key points. Research. Understand the specifications and features of different eyepieces. Quality versus quantity. Focus on acquiring high-quality eyepieces that meet your specific needs rather than amassing a large number of lower-quality pieces. Compatibility. Ensure that the eyepieces you collect are compatible with your optical devices. Community. Engage with online forums and local clubs to learn from experienced collectors and observe through different eyepieces before making a purchase. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of eyepiece collection and its significance in enhancing the experience of using optical devices. Whether you're an aspiring astronomer, a passionate photographer, or simply a curious learner, understanding and collecting eyepieces can open up a new dimension of exploration. Remember, every collection starts with a single eyepiece, so don't hesitate to start your own journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Happy observing!